Hey everybody, this is Isabel from STEM, and today we're gonna create our own story using ScratchJr. You can go on your internet browser to find the page or download the app. When you start, click on the house to get to your projects. Then click on the plus to create a new one. But first, let me show you what we'll be doing today. We're gonna create a project with wizards casting spells towards the frog. To grow, to shrink, and to go back to normal size. Just like this. I'll guide you through ScratchJr so you can recreate this fun project. When you start a new project, you have a blank canvas with a character already set up in the middle. You have different blocks you can use to give instruction and to create a whole story. Then at the bottom, you have the programming space where you'll need to drag those blocks to create sequences for your characters. Let's look at those blocks. First, you have the blue ones. These are the motion blocks. You can move to the right, to the left, up and down, turn and hop. But for your character to do those movements, he needs an event to tell him when to start doing those movements. These are the yellow buttons. First, we have the green flag. If I attach the green flags to my arrows, my character will start doing this sequence when I click on the green flag. I can also choose the second one, start on touch. This way my character will do this sequence when I touch on my character on the screen, just like that. My character can also start his sequence when he gets a message. This is the envelope, the one that is open. This way, when my character gets a message, he'll start doing the sequence. So for him to get a message, we need another character to send it. To get a new character, go on your left, click on the plus, and you can choose anything. When you choose, select it and press OK. When you have your new character, you can see his image at the bottom in your programming space, meaning you're programming this character now. This way you can start a new sequence to send a message to the first character using the closed envelope. Just as before, I need to tell my character when to send it. I can choose any of the event buttons, for example the green flag, and even ask him to hop just before. When I click on my green flag, you can see my character hop, then send the message and see my first character doing his sequence. You can also program changes with the looks button. The first one that says hi, you can click on hi and write anything you like. The second one is the one to grow. Your character will grow. Then you have the shrink button. You can change the number so your character shrinks a little or a lot. And then you have reset size. This way your character comes back to his regular size. We'll need those buttons to create our own story. Let's start this wizard story. First, you need to erase the character you've practiced with. Press and hold it until you see the X, then press on the X. Do the same with the other character. we're gonna go and select a background for a story. Let's press on the image at the top here. I'll select the night. Then you need to select your characters. Go on your left. First, you're gonna select an animal that will be receiving the spells. I'll choose my frog. Then go back once again and choose the wizard. You can now start programming your first character. We're gonna start with the wizard. I'm gonna place him on the left and place my frog on the right. To start with my wizard, I'll go in my event section, the yellow one, and I'll choose start on tap. This way, when I tap on this wizard, he'll cast my spell. Then he'll need to say the spell. This is gonna be in the purple section, the looks block. Drag this one, and instead of hi, he'll say grow. Then he needs to cast a spell to the frog. He'll need to send a message to tell my frog to grow. So I'll need my close envelope. And I can choose a different color. I'll choose the green one. Then I need to select my frog. My frog will receive the green message telling him to grow. This is gonna be in the purple section, the looks blocks, and the grow one. I can choose any number that I like for my frog to grow. Let's test this. I'll click on my wizard. He'll say grow. It's working! Great! Alright, I'll let you finish this story. You need 2 more wizards to cast spell on the frog. 1 to shrink and 1 to reset the size. You can press pause on this video and I'll see you for the solution. Alright, just as before, for the second wizard, you need to use start on tap. Then have the block say, change high for shrink. Then send the message to your frog. Don't forget to switch the color. This time I'm gonna use blue. Go to my frog, add a blue envelope. And this time when he gets the blue message, he needs to shrink. So I'll use this block. Then for my third wizard, I need to go back, make sure I click on him. Use once again the start on tap, the say button. This one needs to say reset your size. Then you need to send an envelope to the frog. I need to switch the color again. This time I'll take purple. Go to my frog, select it. Add a purple envelope. Then tell my frog to reset size using this block. There you go. Now you can click on this button to have your project full size. And when you click on the different wizard, they cast different spells. Alright, let's review what coding skill we've used the most today. It was the event. An event is used to decide at which moment the sequence will be executed. For example, we had start on tap, start with the green flag, start on the message. These were all different examples. I hope you had fun today creating the story, and I'll see you next time.